Hey guys, it's me, Desiree Marie. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my crew members who are called my subbies, and welcome if you are watching me for the first time. If you are subscribed to me, definitely hashtag crew down below so I can see who you are. Show your face. So anyway, I'm Desiree Marie and I do lock videos. I talk about my locks. I wash my locks, style my locks, and maintain it right here on camera. I show you the good, the bad, and the ugly of my lock journey. And I've been locked for 2 years now, and I just love to share all the time. I upload almost every day, so if you're interested in a cool goodie, hit the subscribe button. It's free, it's fun, and you'll get something cool almost each and every day. But anyway, thank you guys for watching yet another video. Today I want to talk about vitamins. Yes, vitamins. I know it could very much sound boring, but this video is actually inspired by one of my subscribers who asked me, what vitamins do you use? I kind of touched on it in a previous video, but I didn't go into detail. But I thought, okay, this is an actual, this is really important information for us who are trying to grow healthy, long locks. What goes on in the inside of your body shows on the outside. So if you're not taking care of yourself on the inside, you're not eating right, you're not drinking enough water, and you're not eating your vitamins, ingesting your vitamins every day, you could end up with less than perfect hair. And it's very important to take your vitamins. I know it's very boring, but it's something that you really should incorporate into your daily regimen. So for me, I just try my best to do it early in the morning and get it over with, because I don't really like swallowing pills. And I just tried to build that routine so that it's something that's a part of me, and I don't really have a hard time just, incorporating it. So yeah, try to find your best schedule for taking vitamins. But I'm going to show you guys the vitamins that I take each and every day, and I totally believe that these vitamins have a lot to do with my hair growth and how my hair has been looking this far. So yes, I wrote down the benefits all on paper. So as always, if you see me looking down, that is why. So when I wake up in the morning, I try to drink a few gulps of water, and then I go in and grab this vitamin, and this is the Fish, Flax, and Borage Oil vitamin. And this vitamin has so many benefits. I'm going to tell you right now. So, and the brand, by the way, is Spring Valley. So it's the Spring Valley Fish, Flax, and Borage Oil. This oil has 800 milligrams of fish oil, flax oil, and borage. And it has omega 369. So it's really good for your heart health. It's really good for your joints and your skin. But here are some additional benefits to taking this oil pill. It's great for treating mental disorders. So if you struggle with depression, taking this vitamin helps improve your mood, it boosts your attitude and just your outlook. For me personally, I have not felt depressed in some time, and I guess it does have to do with my vitamin intake, how I'm treating my body on the inside, and pretty much how I choose to live and make choices in my day-to-day life. But this is really good for that. It helps with weight loss, it helps with your eye health, reduces inflammation, supports healthy skin, supports pregnancy, and reduces liver fat. It also improves your attention. So if you have children that suffer from hyperactivity, oil pills are the best way to go for them. It prevents symptoms of mental decline, improves asthma and allergy risk, and it improves your bone health. So this is really good. As of recent, I've been working out, and so this is really good for helping me. It helps with, I'm not losing weight, but it helps me to tone up, and it helps me to grow strong bones as I'm building muscle. So if you can, definitely do purchase this. I have all of the links down below, so you guys can just purchase it right here on Amazon. Amazon has really good prices for this. The next thing I like to grab is vitamin C. And vitamin C, this one in particular says it's great for immune health. But I have all the deets here, so let me just let you know what else is the benefit, what else is great about this particular vitamin. So vitamin C is an essential vitamin, which means that your body does not produce this. So you do have to take a pill in order to get vitamin C, because nothing in your body produces vitamin C. Vitamin C is found in fruits. Fruits like kiwi, fruits like kiwi, strawberries, oranges, and veggies like broccoli, kale, spinach, and it's also found in bell peppers. It also reduces the risk of chronic disease and heart disease, so it's really good for your heart. It's a strong antioxidant, so it strengthens your body's natural defenses. So if you suffer from colds a lot during the cold season, taking vitamin C is really, really good for fighting the common colds and so forth. It also battles high blood pressure. It improves with iron absorption and iron deficiency. So if you suffer from iron deficiency, this is really good. I have always kind of suffered in some way with iron, and taking this has really improved. It also boosts your immunity, protects memory and thinking as you age. And here's some unofficial claims. It unofficially claims to prevent the common cold. So it doesn't prevent it, but it does help. It reduces cancer risk. So that's another unofficial benefit. Also that it protects against eye disease, and it may treat toxicity. So for me, taking this vitamin helps me because I've been in the gym now and, you know, working out and stuff. So I really do enjoy this this pill. So first the fish pill, then this, and then I go for iron pill, because like I said, I've been one that has I'm so easily cold, and sometimes I don't have energy. So I found that I lack iron. I lack iron and magnesium, and so I'll just let you know the benefits of iron right now. So this iron is another essential mineral, which means your body doesn't produce it on its own. So in order to boost your iron intake, you have to take an iron vitamin or iron pill. And so it transports the oxygen all around your body. And that is important for hemoglobin to transport oxygen from the lungs to the body. And if you don't take iron, you could become fatigued. So, you know, with it helping to transport the oxygen all over your body, it actually boosts your energy. It actually boosts your energy and also your blood flow. When you don't have this, you become fatigued, you become tired, not enough oxygen is getting to your brain, and you really need your iron. So not only that, but it boosts your natural energy. And get this, here's a statistic that I found out, and I'm amazed. 10% of women are iron deficient, and iron is one of the country's top deficient vitamins. So a lot of the country, we don't take iron. 10% of us women are iron deficient. So the Spring Valley Iron vitamin has worked really well for me. I've been taking it for a few months now, and I have not suffered from severe coldness. And when I take this, I feel on my game. I feel alert. I feel, you know, strong. I feel good. I feel awake. I don't feel tired, especially when I get some good night's rest. I feel awake and alert and ready for the day, because as you know, months before taking this, like, I was always tired. I'd be falling asleep, like taking naps in the middle of the day, and I have a lot to get done throughout the day, so I have no time to be sleeping. So this iron, as well as the vitamin C, and another thing that I'm going to show you very shortly, the molasses, has helped to boost my iron levels and really give me that oomph, that, you know, strength, you know, needed in order to work a day-to-day job, as well as an online job, as well as so many different roles that I have going on. And the last vitamin that I'm going to show you before I show you the ultimate one, is this Centrum Women's Vitamin. I had this for years, and I picked it up when it was on sale at Walgreens, and I took it and then I stopped, but now I'm on my game. I'm taking it every single day. I stopped taking it mostly because I was just bored, and I hate swallowing pills, but I realize now I need to get on my vitamin game because we're not getting any younger. You know, we're young. If you're my age, we're young, but we want to do what's best for our body so that we have the longevity. We live long like our you know, our elders. So taking pills is definitely, no, not taking pills, taking vitamins is the best thing for you, especially for your hair health. But I'm gonna let you know exactly what's good in this. So basically, this is great for energy, great for immunity, metabolism, and a healthy appearance. So it's great for your hair, it's great for your skin, it's great for your nails. It has almost all, it's a multivitamin, and it has everything. It's got everything from vitamin A, C, D, E, K, thiamine, I don't know what the riboflavin, vitamin B6, folic acid, iron as well, magnesium, zinc. It has so much. So just taking this alone would help you, but for me, I like to, you know, give my body something extra as well. That's why I take the other pill, the other vitamins. But this is a great vitamin, and it's sold at your local drugstores. So I do recommend this. Even though the pill is so big, I don't like taking big pills, but it's just a sacrifice that you gotta make. If you don't like pills, you can go for the gummy vitamins, but for me, I feel like the gummies like make me want to eat more candy, and I can't do that right now. So rather than eating candy for vitamins, I'd rather just swallow this old boring nasty big pill. I mean, it's not that big, I'm really being dramatic, but it's like the size of a regular vitamin. Nothing too dramatic, you know. I just personally don't like swallowing pills. And the last vitamin I'd like to show you, I'm really excited about this one because this is something that I've been turned on to as of recent, and it's been about 2 months now that I've been taking it, and I'm so excited about it. And it is molasses. Yes, grandma's molasses. Grandma's molasses. She's still, come on now, grandma's molasses. And this is unsulfured molasses. Yes, it has like a very ew taste, like you know, it can be replaced for a lot of the different sugars that we use. It is a more healthier alternative, but it just doesn't taste as good. But what I do is I take a tablespoon of this in the morning after I take you know, all my vitamins. I take a tablespoon of this and swallow it very slowly because it is very thick. So I give my mouth time to dissolve the thick syrupy molasses and just drink it down. But girl, this molasses, don't sleep on this molasses because this has so many amazing benefits. For me, I take it because I suffer from menstrual cramps, and I hate, look, sometimes I dread the time of the month. And I learned about this first from Keisha Charmaine, actually. She spoke about how she also suffers from the same thing, and this is the most natural thing that you can take. So for me, I'm trying to wean myself off of taking pills. I don't like the way that, you know, it feels when I take Advils and, you know, all these different pills to fight pain. It feels very unnatural to me, and to me, I want to adopt a more natural lifestyle. So weaning myself off of taking pills that I take every single month, I want to go for something more natural. And not only does it help you with your menstrual cramps and dissolve it completely, which I'm so excited about, and it makes the taste worth it. Like, I will take this every day of my life if I have to. But it's also a sweet, like I said, it's a sweetener. So if you suffer from diabetes, this is a great alternative to put in your tea, to put in your cake mixes and whatnot. It also boosts your bones and it strengthens your bones. So it contains calcium and magnesium, which also prevents osteoporosis. So that's something that people suffer from once they get older. Their bones start to wither away. Not if you take your molasses, sis. Like, your bones will get stronger and you will feel it from the inside out. I love that it also includes magnesium, because that's also another vitamin that my doctor told me that I need in order to fight these bad menstrual cramps. So along with the iron and the magnesium, I'm very hopeful to just completely delete and cancel these menstrual cramps. So yeah, if you suffer from menstrual cramps, like, you know, bad menstrual cramps have you over the floor, rolling around the floor, girl, I know, take you some molasses. I've been taking this for 2 months now, and so my last cycle was not as bad as it normally would be, but sometimes it's different for me anyway, because some months I'll be all right, and then some months I'll be like hanging on the toilet. But recently I've been okay. So I'm going to, if you are interested, I can update you next month to let you know how it works for me. And yeah. So it also is great for iron deficiency. So if you suffer from lack of iron, molasses is great. It's also packed with potassium, and like I said, it prevents menstrual cramps. So in this, you have 50% calcium, 95% iron, and you have 38% magnesium. So this is power packed with most of the vitamins that you need. I highly suggest trying this out. I'll find a link for you guys down below if I find one, but this is another great alternative. One of the best things that you can do to prevent cramps and just boost your iron intake and all that. So that's pretty much all that I use. Those are all the vitamins that I take every single day. Sometimes I kind of skip on them on the weekends because I just don't feel like it. But for the most part, I take it every single day, and I do think that it has boosted the health of my hair and also my excitement, my mood, my appearance, my skin, and all that stuff. So I hope that you guys enjoyed learning about something that could be kind of considered boring, but it's very necessary for all of us, women and men. Yeah, but I have to say, if you suffer from any condition or you're pregnant, consult your doctor first. Don't take my advice as law and go out and get these things and do them on your own. If you have any medical issues or you're pregnant, do consult your doctor first. Even if you're not any of those things, I highly suggest that you consult your doctor first and see what that person thinks that you should be doing and what's best for you, because we all have different bodies, different body types, and capacities and stuff like that. So yes guys, thank you guys for watching. If you're not subscribed, hit the subscribe button for many more videos just like this. Also check me out, I'm on Instagram, it's Desiree Marie _. That's where I post when I'm not here, which I'm here all the time, so I'm always posting anyway. Anyway guys, thank you for watching, and I hope that you enjoyed. Let us know if you take any great vitamins that have been beneficial to you in your hair journey or your health journey, so that we can learn some more from what you do. Thank you for watching. I hope that you enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next upload. Later. Bye.